Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about the quality education. It's the fourth sustainable development goals. First, do you know what is education? Education is learning knowledge, skills, and the values to grow to succeed in life. It helps people think, solve problems, and create a better future for themselves and their communities. Also, for us to get the necessary jobs when we're adults. All these things makes quality education very important for a successful and independent life. It is a basic right for everyone all over the world. The purpose of SDG 4 is to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote long life learning opportunities for all. It emphasizes the need to provide access to affordable, high quality education from early childhood through higher education and vocational training, and enabling individuals to achieve their potential and contribute to society. Education is a powerful tool to break the cycle of poverty, reduce inequalities, and foster sustainable development. According to UNESCO, over 244 million children and youth were out of school in 2021. Addressing this gap is crucial, as education builds skills, enhances employability, and promotes social cohesion and innovation. Here are the specific challenges of SDG 4 quality education. 1. Access to schools. Millions of children, especially in rural areas, lack access to schools. 2. Teacher shortages. Not enough trained teachers to support quality learning. 3. Gender inequality. Girls in some regions face barriers to education. 4. Learning gaps. Many students attend school but don't gain essential skills like reading or math. 5. Digital divide. Limited access to technology and in the internet prevents modern learning. 6. Funding issues. Insufficient investment in education system worldwide. Quality education is important. Why is it important? First, it breaks the poverty cycle. Education helps individuals secure better jobs and improve their quality of life. Second, reduce inequality. Quality education provides opportunities for marginalized groups, such as women and those rural areas. Lastly, promotes sustainable development. An educated population contributes to innovation, stronger economies, and healthier societies. Do you know that around 244 million children and youth were out of school in 2021? In low-income countries, only 79% of children complete primary school. The 2018 PISA result showed the Filipino students ranked last in reading comprehension with only 19% meeting minimum. Programs like Alternative Learning System, ALS, provide education to out-of-school youth and adults. Finland has the one of the best education system in the world due to free education, well-trained teachers, and equal opportunities for all students. Education is foundation for a brighter future. By achieving SDG 4, we can empower individuals, reduce inequalities, and build a sustainable world where no one is left behind. A quality education isn't just a goal, it's the key to unlocking endless possibilities. By working together, we can ensure everyone has access to quality education and opportunities for a brighter future.
Thank you. The end. This video presented by Tyra and John.